Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a video that I filmed this weekend. I had a goal to organize under my kitchen sink. You can see here that I have a corner sink in my kitchen, which I totally love, but it is sort of an awkward space to organize along with the garbage disposal. So I've already taken everything out from under the sink because we actually had a small leak. So you can see that I've got some cleaning supplies in this mop bucket, some leather wipes, sponges, Murphy's wood soap, and just tons of different cleaners that are totally unorganized. I was trying to organize some different things in a basket there, but not doing a very good job of it. So yeah, just a lot of household items that need to get organized and put away so that I can find them easily again. So you can also see that I like to store my extra plastic bags under the sink, and I'll show you here in a little bit what I'm going to put those in. Like I said, it's a nice big space under here, but it's just sort of awkward with the shape and how big the garbage disposal is. So in preparation for this project, I went ahead and picked up a few things on Amazon. I did end up liking these. I will leave links in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing the same thing I did. These slide out trays are by IdeaWorks. There are two of them that I ordered, and then I also ordered this plastic bag holder, and it comes with both screws and adhesive so that you can either adhere it to the wall or screw it to the wall. I'm actually going to put it under the sink. So I went ahead and took the 3M adhesive strips out of the package, and then I'm just going to adhere one of the foam squares to each corner of this. Now I will say that the next day I went back under the sink to grab a plastic bag out, and this had already fallen off the inside of the wall in there. So if you want to do this, I would recommend that you get some command strips. You can get those basically at any store, Dollar Tree, Walmart, and I think I'll be getting some of those soon to put on there so that it doesn't fall off. You can see here that I'm just kind of adhering it, making sure I press it down really well to the inside left of the cabinet, and then I'll just go ahead and fill that back up with my plastic bags. I really ended up liking the placement of this. It's really just the perfect little tool to help organize those plastic bags in a space where no one can see them. So the next thing that I wanted to do was just clean out the bottom of the cabinet before I started organizing everything in there. So I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's Peony Multi-Surface Spray, which is my favorite one of the spring scents. It's now out of stock, which is very sad, but I am enjoying using it while it lasts. And then while I was down there, I decided to wipe down the cabinets a little bit as well. Okay, so I'm going to start putting together these sliding trays by IdeaWorks. You can see there that there's just one sheet of instructions. They're not too complicated to put together, but I do have to say that the instruction sheet is not actually the most helpful. There's just pictures on there, there's no words, and so kind of with some trial and error, I had to just decide how they fit. If I wasn't filming this video for you guys, I definitely would have taken them to my husband and said, here, put these together for me. He's an engineer and that's what he does for a living, so he's definitely more well suited for that kind of work than I am. But either way, I got it done. The back piece there, you can see that I'm really struggling with that, and I'm like comparing it to the drawing and trying to figure out why it's not popping in there. Here is a word of advice. If you're going to put these together, definitely have like a small rubber mallet, or I actually used a screwdriver to kind of pound the pieces in. That really helped get them snug down. Now, once I got it all put together, it was very sturdy. I really like the finished product. I think that it will be great to hold cleaning products, and it will be great in case anything spills. It will be super easy to wipe down. So like I said, just make sure you have some kind of utensil to kind of put everything together I'm going to get a screwdriver here in a little bit. If you could hear me talking right now, I would probably be saying some curse words. But anyway, I'm just going to get the rest of these put together, and then I will start adding them to under the sink. So yeah, once I figured out that I needed that screwdriver to sort of hammer everything together, it all went a lot smoother. You can see there that I'm also using that to sort of hammer in the top. And then once I get the top on, you just basically take those drawers that you built and slide them in. Super easy. There's like a little lip on the back so that it won't slide through the back. But yeah, overall, I am pretty happy with them. What I like about these particular slide out shelves is that the bottom shelf is fairly tall, so you can fit some fairly tall bottles underneath there and still slide out the top drawer. Okay, so you can see here how I decided to configure these. I put one on either side of the garbage disposal, and I also ended up putting my garbage bags down there kind of behind the garbage disposal. That's something that we need to access quite frequently when we change the trash, and so I wanted to make sure that those were quite accessible and that we weren't frustrated trying to get them out. My dishwasher tabs come from Costco, and so they're in this kind of big, giant, tall container. I had a couple of containers just laying around from the Dollar Tree that I had bought for another project and not used. And so I decided to use kind of a shallow, clear bin for the dishwasher tabs. And then I had two smaller containers. I'm using those for my dishwasher cleaners. I have one kind of more heavy-duty cleaner, and then those lemon Plank tablets that I use more on a daily basis. So now I'm just going to get started loading up my trays. On this bottom left slide out, I'm going to put things like my scrubber sponges from Grove, my magic eraser. I also have these kind of reusable paper towel pads from Grove that I haven't tried yet either. I have two pairs of regular cleaning gloves, and then I have a couple pairs of disposable latex gloves. I like to use those for different projects where I might want to throw them away. And then I also went ahead and put one of my dish brushes in there. In the top of that, I'm just going to load some of my Mrs. Meyer's and Method all-purpose sprays. And I kind of had to play around with the height of these. There was actually just enough room for me to stack those in there and not hit the top of the sink. In the bottom right slide out, I'm putting some of my Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser, some Jet Dry, and then some miscellaneous other bottles. I just basically had to find the shortest bottles that I could and put these on the bottom so that I could still slide it in and out pretty easily. On the top there, I'm going to put some of my multi-surface cleaners and my mopping products. I actually had two bottles of this Pledge floor cleaner, and so I basically consolidated those into one container, and I was actually able to put that in there and still allow it to slide in and out freely. So I'm just adding some different things. My granite polish was actually too tall, and so I went ahead and put that kind of back behind. There's a couple carpet cleaners that I don't use very often, and so I went ahead and put those back behind the plastic bag holder as well. But pretty much everything that I needed to have under there was able to fit in those two slide out containers. The Windex and then that Crud Cutter degreaser that I use for my stove were two things that were too tall to fit in those slide outs, and that's fine. I just ended up sitting those right in front of the garbage bags, and I've been using this configuration for a while now, a couple days, and it's been working out well. So you can see there kind of how I have everything organized. I have my dishwasher tabs right up front and center, which is really great. I obviously use those several times a day, so I need those to be accessible. I have my sponges and my rubber gloves and magic eraser and dish brush. In this slide out, I have some of my multi-surface cleaners. I like to keep a variety on hand so that I can switch those up. I have those 2 small containers of disposal cleaner back under the garbage disposal. I have my 2 tall containers there, and then the bottom right slide out has just some miscellaneous cleaning products that are short enough to fit in that slider drawer. And then there on the top right is my Method Wood for Good cleaner, which I use every day, my stainless steel polish, and some other mopping and floor care products. So basically that's it. I'm really happy with how this turned out. It was just such a mess before and everything was so cluttered, and it's nice to have everything kind of in its place now. So I hope this video inspired you to clean out under your sink. I know that this has been a problem area for me for quite some time, and I've just been putting it off. So thanks again for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would do so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.